Hi, so I'm gonna go over the Navy UFO videos for the Go Fast Tic Tac video right now.
From 2012. Okay, so what is this? Like,
All right, so here I have the Tic Tac video loaded up, and I'm gonna try to get the velocity. So what's happening is to get a clean velocity, you need a still background, and then you measure the object, like a football being thrown. You need a background that's still. So let's play the video. So I was able to get a bead on some background that was still and the object moving. And they're chasing this Tic Tac UFO right here. So in 2.6 seconds, this UFO moved however distant that is. So you can probably get the weather charts and coordinate how was the sea choppy, was the sea still. You could measure it against the whitecaps right there. So those blue dots. Now, when I was doing this frame by frame, the UFO seemed to be jumping back and forth. So this UFO doesn't have wings. It doesn't have an obvious method of propulsion. So it's really unusual that a lot of people that claim to be scientists dismiss these videos completely outright. Not sure what the motive for that is, but let's say that distance is, you know, maybe it's traveling at 600 feet per second. So that's like a BB and a BB gun, an air rifle, trying to catch a bullet in mid-flight. Let's see. Then there's the angle of the camera. You have the what is the lens? Is the lens wide angle lens? Is the lens telephoto? So how far is that Tic Tac above the water? So this is the first crack at this that I've attempted to. So I've got 2.6 seconds. This object moved in that distance. So that's where I'm starting. This is the Go Fast Tic Tac UFO video provided by the Navy. They're chasing one of these things down. So that was an analysis, a video analysis using physics for the Tic Tac UFO videos. And it would be, so why do these people in the military deny the existence of UFOs? There's people in the Air Force denying UFOs, that they exist. There's people in academia denying that UFOs exist. It's a big joke. I fail to find why that's so funny. Right there. So there you have the first crack at this Navy videos. I don't see anyone else even doing anything to analyze this video. It's bizarre. Why do they have jobs in the military and in the science? Why are they scientists if they're not doing anything? Just strange.